Most golf course websites are okay, but today, okay is really bad for you. The sites look fine, but they don't play nice with AI and they miss a chunk of your business. Your range, food, events, the golf shop, it's like they don't exist. That's what Enhance is designed to fix. Enhance turns a thin website into a legitimate digital asset. The core of this service is a major remodel of your website, not just design, but structure and content. We expand and rebuild your pages around how golf operations actually work: playing golf, tee times, practice facilities, food, outings, events, FAQs. We create a golf specific information architecture and write content that's clear for golfers and readable by AI systems. Enhance also includes ongoing discovery monitoring, schema, Google Business Profile Management, enhanced reporting, and Google Search Console setup, so we can validate that your enhanced site is actually being discovered. Year one costs more because that's when the rebuild happens. After that, the cost drops, but the support and reporting continues. If you're asking, is our website holding us back from discovery and engagement? Enhance is how you fix it.